like a red bird right there. And it's gone. Where'd all the birds go? Are they behind that rock? Yeah, guys, did you see them? I saw them in a... Yeah, it's right there. Hey, you see it? You see him? It's a bird. Here's a red bird, but yeah, there's a bird on there too. So I'm trying to let y'all see both. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that? There's two down there now. It's hard to see. It's really hard to see. Even on my phone, but there's... Did you see that? No way. Did you see that? Oh, there's none up there now. Did you see that though? The bird just flew up there. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. There's a tiny bird right there that's moving. Guys, did you see that? There's like a bird over there. Hold on. I'm telling you, there's a bird over there. Hold on. I don't know where it is now, but oh, I don't know where's the bird. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's the other one. There's the other one, guys. The yard is filled with birds. There's one in the grass. Over there just chilling. Oh yeah, guys, see that? It's like one behind those bushes, and then there's one up there. There's two up there! And then there's two, right, there's one. It went behind the tree, but there's one right there, and that one right there. And two up there. They love like going up there. Yeah, did you see that? There was a bird. You see that? It's walking away. Let's check on the other birds. Well, that one's having a fun time just walking. Now, let's check on this. They're eating. Okay, guys. I just gotta say, got new furniture today, but I just gotta say, these birds, since you got that bird feeder, they're infested. Well, it's getting a little windy, so like we wait, guys, there's a bird feeder up there. I did not see that. Dang it, there's one right there too, but I can't read that far. So guys, so we have we did have some out there. I have some right there. Let's see, is there any right here? No, there's none. Let's see. Oh, there's a bird. So yeah, there's tons and tons and tons and tons of birds. See you on YouTube.